Hi guys, there is an amazing product from the brand called Unilever. It's a Cif surface cleaner cream. So in this video, we are going to see its review and demo. So this 500 ml pack has MRP of rupees 275, but it will cost you rupees 178 from Amazon. And this is a multi-purpose cleaner cream. It can be used to clean the tiles. You see the corners at the home where most of the dirt and the dust marks are there. And it's very difficult to clean it with the normal brush or the scrub. But what you do, take a brush like this and add a little bit of cream and then scrub it, scrub the corners and just wipe it with a clean cloth. Now you see the difference here? It can also be used to the kitchen. In kitchen, you can clean the kitchen sink, kitchen hobs, tiles, and wherever you see the grease, the toughest grease marks which seems impossible, you can just try this one even on the exhaust fan. And yes, I have also tried this on my room fan. This seems difficult to clean, but using Cif, it was this easy. Just apply, rub it and wipe it. Tada! It's all clear and shiny. So this surface cleaner is a cream based cleaner, so the texture is quite similar to cream. And the fragrance is very nice and refreshing. It's quite similar to a shampoo and the fragrance stays for a while. You can comfortably use this one for chimney hoods, granite platforms, wall tiles. It erases all the grease and scaling effectively. You can also use this one for washroom taps cleaning, wash basin or tiles cleaning. Consistency of this cream is runny, so you will have to be careful, else you will drop more than the required quantity. Do not use this on leather or textile, and if you are using it on a painted wood or aluminium surface, avoid heavy scrubbing, gently rub and rinse away. It cleans the oily surface just like a pro. Seriously, I like this product very much, especially for the kitchen grease, fan cleaning and these corners. And it's completely safe on your hands. It's just that your hands will become a little dry. So after using this Cif cream, wash your hands thoroughly and apply moisturizer immediately. So overall, it's an amazing product and it's a must product for every household. And if you find this video useful, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.